4, 3, 2, and 1. Ayan, let's all welcome our visitor from the land of McDonald's, none other than Grimace. Ayan, say hello to our visitor for today. Ayan, so Grimace, di mo na sa harap. Ayan, yes. Grabe. Alright, so Grimace, say hi to our guests. Ayan, dito tayo sa gitna.
Okay, once again, wag po natin itulak si Grimace.
Yes, grabe. Excited si Grimace. Ayan, masayang-masaya siya.
Masaya ng mga kids and adults.
So don't you worry, kids. Mabait si Grimace, pwede natin siyang yakapin.
And for that, it's under picture taking with their parents.
Yes, with the parents.
Come on, Stella. Come on, Stella. Picture taking.
Ayan, enjoy the moment dahil in a few minutes.
Come on, picture
Babalik
taking.
na si Grimace from the land of McDonald's in a
Okay,
few minutes,
picture.
okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, okay, together with mom and daddy.
Grimace, look at the camera.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, all the kids.
All the kids?
All the kids, come on. Together with Stella. Ayan. Ayan, okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, do the McDonald's sign.
Alright, do the McDonald's sign.
McDonald's sign. Ganito, ganito. Kids.
Alright, go, kids.
Come on, McDonald's sign.
Ayan, how about the cheeseburger?
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, say cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Burger. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, very good kids. At syempre, we would like to advertise our one-piece chicken with regular Coke, regular fries. Available for dine-in, take-out, and drive-thru.
Ayan, sa mga gusto pong magpa-picture, sulit-sulitin na natin dahil in a few minutes, babalik na si Grimace from the land of McDonald's. Ayan, sulit-sulitin na po natin sa mga gusto pa pong magpa-picture.
Okay, once again, wag po natin itulak si Grimace. Say hi and picture taking lang po. And okay, we would like to thank our parents, Sir Mark and Donna.
Wait, ayan.
Okay, gusto nilang sumayaw si Grimace.
Grimace, ready ka ba sa sayaw? Yun ang tanong.
Ready?
Ayan, so may request si customer. Sasayaw daw ng 4 sa 4 na si Grimace. Ready ka na ba, Grimace? Can you give me a thumbs up if you're ready?
Siyempre, tawagin naman natin yung guest. Okay, hep hep!